from the Austin-San Antonio area. The civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning. Wait, no, the civil authorities has issued a special message. Please listen, we have issued a special message cause we reached 30 subs on YouTube. I just want to say thanks for 30 subs. I'm really happy for this. Y'all are just amazing. And now let's see if we can go to 40 subs. I just can't believe it that we went to 30 subs. Y'all are amazing. Now y'all, I hope y'all are having a nice day, and hope y'all the best. And remember, your best self is yet to come.